Hey guys, this is a refresher video on the Google process of how to create, how to create an APK file when you're generating an app here. Okay, so this is a new app that we've got for our client, and you can see all the buttons are red. That means it's not ready yet for submission to be able to generate an APK file or a bundle. So what you need to do is log into that app in the Create App section here, and then go to the Publish tab over here, and then all of this information needs to be filled out. So you need a package name, so I'm going to just put that in here now. Copy this, actually. Okay, and this is, so we also now need a server key and a JSON file, and what you need for that is to go to your Firebase console and get that information, your Facebook app ID and name. You don't need this at this point. You do need a Google Maps API key, and that'll be a separate video you can watch to do that. But I'm going to show you now how to get the server key and the JSON file. You go over to your Firebase account and add a project. You log into your Firebase account. You should see something similar to this. Enter a project name. So this is going to be, okay, so this is a project name. Continue, select an account here that you want it in. I'm going to put it into that account, and it takes 50 to 60 seconds for this. I'll push pause so you don't have to watch. Okay, so it's finishing it up. So now it's ready. So you click continue, and you're now into the project overview here. So what you need to do is click on the Android icon here first. And register the app. So let's go back to the platform and get this. This is the package name. Okay, so I'm going to copy this and put that here, and click register. Let it do its thing. So now the JSON file is here, so you can download this to your computer. And once that's downloaded, you click next. Scroll down, you can just scroll down to the bottom here, hit next again, and continue to the console. Once you're back here, you would click on the settings icon here, and users and permissions, cloud messaging. This has changed a little bit since the last time I did a video for this, but cloud messaging, and you come down here and generate key pair. So this is what you got. This is the server key. They now changed the name to Key Pair. Guess we'll have to do that as well. Just a second, let me do this. Should be a way to copy this. Show. Yeah, so show your key. This is the key. Is that the key? Doesn't look like the key. Copy the key. I'm going to go back to my system here, our system, and that does not look like the key. Give me a second to go back here and check. Private key. This is the key pair. This is what you need here. I'm not even sure what this is, to be honest with you. I don't know. This is what we need here. So this is what needs to be copied. You should have a way to copy this, but anyways, I'm copying that. I'm going to come back here, delete this, and paste this. So this is the server key, okay? Key pair, whatever you want to call it. Now we need the JSON file. So I'm going to go to my downloads, and you can see I found the JSON file. I will hit, let me get the Google. So now I've added the Google Maps API key. This is needed for store locator and any mapping features you have in the system. You hit the update button, and that should be it. So now when I come back out to my app list and click on the generate icon, all of these are green, and I will now generate the APK file. This takes 6 or 7 minutes to do. The APK file allows you to install this directly onto your device and play with it without having to go through the App Store. This is the bundle that you will need to upload to the App Store. So 2 separate files here. That's it. Thanks for watching.